Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into an intriguing tool that's changing the way we interact with command line environments. It's called iterm-mcp. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in terminals for coding, development, or data manipulation, you're going to want to hear about this. First off, let's unpack what iterm-mcp is all about. It's a model context protocol server that connects you directly to your iterm session. So, what's that mean for you? Essentially, it allows for a more efficient workflow by letting you request and review specific outputs from commands rather than sifting through endless logs. Pretty neat, right? Imagine you're trying to analyze the output of a long-running command. You don't want to sift through all those lines, especially when you're looking for just the last few relevant ones. With iterm-mcp, that task becomes effortless. You can specifically tell the model what you're interested in, so it only shows you what matters. It's kind of like having a personal assistant for your terminal. And it doesn't stop there. Have you ever been stuck in a REPL, that's read eval print loop, where you need to send control characters like Control-C or Control-Z? iterm-mcp allows for seamless interactions within those environments, allowing you to write and send commands directly, all while monitoring what's happening on the screen in real time. You're practically in a conversation with your terminal. But wait, there are some safety considerations to keep in mind here. This tool gives you incredible control, but it also means you have to be vigilant. The responsibility falls on you to monitor the commands being executed. If something goes off the rails, you'll need to step in and hit the brakes. It's a bit like driving a high-speed vehicle. You need to be focused. Now, let's talk dependencies. iterm-mcp is designed to be minimalistic, meaning you can set it up without fussing over a lot of installations. You just need Node version 18 or greater, which is pretty standard for many development environments today. A quick install via npx, and you're off to the races. So how can you get this set up for yourself? Adding the server configuration to your desktop app, whether it's macOS or Windows, is straightforward. There are detailed instructions available that make it super easy to get started. It's almost like they thought of everything. One last thing before we wrap up. If you're into development, there's a debugging feature called the MCP Inspector. It's a handy tool that can help you keep track of the commands being sent to your terminal and can guide you through troubleshooting if something doesn't go as planned. In summary, iterm-mcp is a fantastic tool that enhances your terminal experience by offering natural integrations, terminal control, and a simplified setup process, all while reminding you to proceed with caution. As we close this episode, consider how leveraging tools like iterm-mcp can enhance your productivity. Have you ever wished for a more efficient way to manage your terminal tasks? What do you think the next evolution in command line interface tools will be? Thanks for joining us today. Keep coding, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next episode.